Brady. That's for you, honey. Can you not reach? Can you not reach it?
No.
You can do it. What's in the bins, honey? There's stuff in the bins too.
Brady. Brady.
Oh, good job.
You want the ones that you can't reach? Brady. Cook me some breakfast, Brady. Brady, cook me some breakfast. I need some coffee, some bacon, some eggs, some hash browns.
Yeah.
Hey, breakfast. Make it snappy. That's the recycling bin. All right, so bye-bye. Bye-bye.